Welcome to HRDI. I Satya Satvika and I am here to explain you about the refugees of Sri Lanka in our country. India have received large number of Sri Lankan refugees during the civil war was taking place in the country. The conflict has raised due to the dominance of the Sri Lankan people, main population Sinhalese, towards the Tamil speaking people who are the minorities of the country. They are not even given the equal rights as Sinhalese and not even the basic human rights what they need. So, Tamil people have formed an organization called LTTE, that is Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam. They have raised their voice towards the government for their human rights, and government has ignored them or their report given by Tamil people. So that Tamil people have started the conflict in the country for their rights. Most of the people have migrated to India to protect themselves from the conflict. And we also have received many refugees before the civil war was taken place in the country, due to their forefathers who are belong to India, who are migrated to Sri Lanka for their betterments of their own facilities. And also few of them were forced to go to Sri Lanka due to the British people when they were ruling India, to work in the tea estates to bring them some benefits for the British government. And most of the refugee people had land on the Dhanushkodi Island, which is in Ramanathapuram district of Tamil Nadu. And before the involvement of government, they have refugees have faced many problems due to the lack of facilities they have in the country, as they are not the citizens of India. And also they don't even have a particular place to live or hide themselves from the harsh nature, and they used to use the building sheets as their shelter to live, which is so harsh for them, especially in the summer. And also after the camps which is released by the government of India, they also suffered with the medical facilities, as hospitals were far away from the camps, and also education system was not that good enough in the camps. But later on the facilities have given them much betterments, like providing them the continuity of students who had stopped their education in Sri Lanka can continue their education till the university level and get good job qualifications according to their education. And also they have power facilities 24/7 in the camps, and also water facilities, medical facilities, and everything was given to them. And almost government has spent 500 crore for betterment of refugees in our country who are migrated from Sri Lanka. Thank you.